Hello, welcome back to RV Healthy Zone. Today we discuss about ideal walking exercises that also help with quickly weight loss. Walking is one of the simplest and most effective way to lose weight and stay fit. It's a low impact exercises that require no special equipment, making it accessible to almost everyone. Here are 8 walking exercises that can help you lose weight quickly. Power walking. Power walking involves walking at faster pace, usually around 5 kilometers per hour. It is a great way to increase your heart rate and burn more calories. To maximize benefit, swing your arms vigorously and take longer strides. Interval walking. Interval walking alternate between periods of high intensity walking and low intensity recovery. For example, you can walk at a fast pace for 2 minutes, then slow down to a moderate pace for 1 minute. This method leads to more calories burned and even after your workout. Uphill walking. Walking uphill or on an inclined treadmill increase the intensity of your workout, engaging more muscles and burning more calories. It strengthens your legs and glutes, providing a more comprehensive workout. Walking with weights. Adding weights to your walking routines can boost calories burn and build muscles. You can use ankle weight, wrist weight, or carry light dumbbells. Just be careful not to overdo it, as too much weight can strain your joints. Nordic walking. Nordic walking involves using specially designed people to engage your upper body while walking. This technique can increase your calories burn by up to 46%. The pole helps to work your arms, shoulder, chest, and back muscles, turning a simple walk into a full body workout. Speed walking. Speed walking is all about walking as fast as possible without breaking into a run. It's an effective way to elevate your heart rate and burn more calories. This form of walking can burn up to 30% more calories than regular walking. Walking with high knees. Adding high knees into your walking routine can make it more challenging and effective for weight loss. This exercise involves lifting your knee to waist height with each step, engaging your core and leg muscles more intensely. Walking lunges. Walking lunges are another way to turn your walk into a more intense workout. This exercise involves taking a step forward and lowering your body into a lunges position, then stepping forward with the other leg. So this is our video in which we discuss about 8 ideal walking exercises that also helps that quick weight loss. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to RB Healthy Zone for more fitness content, and stay healthy and see you in the next video.